about, just Egypt. I'm calling this the Be the Lotus. So it's all about blossoming and growing into this new authentic expression of yourself and standing in your truth and your life purpose and so forth. So just a little bit, I love maps. I'm like obsessed with maps. So I like to see, because it's hard. I know when I went my very first time, we went so many places. I didn't even know, are we in Upper Egypt, Lower Egypt, where are we? Like, it was just so, but I like to actually see how much ground we cover. But this is the whole spiel of it. And then just day one, this is just more for you. I mean, you can read more of this on my website, but just what the days consist of, arriving and doing this is part of the Mena house. This is generally where we have breakfast overlooking the pyramids. Michelle and Sonia has been here, so they know how beautiful this hotel is. And then we go inside the Sphinx as a private visit the first morning, and that we do our opening ceremony there and visit the Giza Plateau, and then Saqqara, which was that photo I showed you with the step pyramid. And then we're going to check in on the Afandina, which is a Dabaeya, one of these old boats. It doesn't have a motor, so it gets pushed along the Nile. It's very peaceful. And then we're going to sail to Komombo, the healing temple. And actually, I was saying she was also thought of consort to Sobek. So Sobek and Horus is at this temple. And then when we sail along the Nile, we visit like villages. Sometimes we stop at a village also along the way. And, just these people Egypt, the people of Egypt is really such a blessing, and they just light up with spirit. It's beautiful, and they're very giving people, although they live very primitively, but it's just beautiful, all the abundance. And then we'll go to Edfu's temple, and then we'll sail to Luxor, stay there, and visit Luxor temple, the temple of man. Then a bus ride to Dendera, and overnight at the House of Life. I've wanted to do this because usually the bus drive is too long between Dendera and Abydos. So now when we overnight there, and the House of Life has a lot of healing amenities that you can try out too, but then we'll go in the morning to Abydos. And I just it's so different when you visit temples first thing in the morning. It has a total different energy and experience to it. And then just like that, we'll go to Hatshepsut in the morning too, and then the Valley of the Kings in the afternoon on day 10. And then on the Afandina, it's like the last farewell dinner. It's quite a celebration, and that's where we give them their tips as well. Everyone on the boat, it's like one big family, so it's such a beautiful exchange, energetic exchange, just to see their faces lit up. And then hopefully the gem will be open when we go, so that we can go to the Grand Egyptian Museum, the new museum. Otherwise we'll be going to the old one. And then, we'll be visiting also perfumery and other shops, markets, and then a great private visit to the pyramid, and then your flight home. So, and then let me just, in closing, quickly play this. Let's see how much time. Okay, I'm just gonna play this for you. This is on the Nile, just so that, because we were talking about inundation and the Nile. So, thank you. Oh, okay, Michelle. Okay. Oh, okay. I just saw a message. So I just wanted to share that with you, and so you have like, you know, just a taste of the energies and the, you know, what you can, the activations that's there. So let me know. I'm going to open up the